Are you looking for an easy way to turn off Safe Search on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps of disabling this feature so that you can access any website or search results. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on Screen Time. And if you've got this password protected, just unlock it. After that, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And now you'll see an option called Content Restrictions, so go ahead and tap on that. And then tap where it says Web Content. So if you have this set to allow websites or limit adult websites, then switch it back to unrestricted. Once you've done that, go back and tap where it says Web Search Content. And then make sure to select Allow. And it will turn off Safe Search on your iPhone. Now let's take a look at another way to disable Safe Search. Exit the settings and open up the Safari browser, and then go to google.com. Once you are on this page, make sure you are logged in, and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on Search Settings. And now you'll see an option called Safe Search. If you have this set to hide explicit results, then change it to show explicit results. And it will turn off Safe Search on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.